Smart Stack is actually the most exciting thing that I've seen in 15 years of being in the energy space. It's highly flexible, it suits customers, it's highly profitable, it solves a really big problem in energy behind and in front of the meter. And the problem for energy for businesses is that there has been no previous way for them to really harness control of their energy situation. We've been doing solar across thousands of businesses around Australia for 13 years now, and we can make use of 30% of their energy with solar. The challenge is, what do we do with the other 70? And Smart Stack is about harnessing battery technology and market participation in the grid energy market to get the best value, the best return on investment for businesses. It makes the broader energy market accessible for everyday businesses. And you don't need to be an expert. As a customer, you don't need to know about the energy market. The algorithm, the program, and the hardware is all in our bag, and we are incentivized to make it as good for you as possible. We say one point of contact, one point of contract. We bundle up the technology, match it with a financial product, and we can match in carbon reporting all in one house. We partnered with PowerSync because what we saw is an innovative company entering a very traditional market. And PowerSync thinks differently. They've invented this algorithm. We work with them to build these battery systems that do work and create a great revenue stream. We are able to play in the FCAS markets. It's all about the battery being able to play into selling power into high-price market events and then getting paid to charge when the cost is low. And that stack is always shifting all the time, and that's what the algorithm solves for. This is kind of a moment in time where early adopters will get the best value for money out of the Smart Stack platform. Now is the time to invest in batteries. The prices got low enough, the technology's matured enough, and the market mechanisms to trade that battery and make money out of it have never been better.